Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to divide both sides by dy. Next, I will put x on the left. Next, we divide both sides by 2y. Now, we have x and first derivative of x. We can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration negative 1 over 2y, because this one next to x, this is about integrating factor. The integration of 1 over y, we have ln y. So negative 1 over 2 go inside about natural log in here. And this one we have y to the power of negative 1 over 2, and we have 1 over y to the power of 1 over 2. Now, we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have x over 2, y to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. And this one we have 3 over 2. Number 3 divided by y to the power of 1 over 2. We have 3 minus 1 over 2. So this one we have 5 over 2. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of y to the power of 1 over 2. And that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a, that is about x. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to ab. So this one, we have x over y to the power of 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have y to the power of 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1. And then I will put about c. So this one, we have 7 over 2. This one, we have 7 over 2. And now we need to simplify number 2 in here and here. So we have number 7. Now we have the conditions. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here, to find the value of C. So C equals to negative 1 over 7. Now we need to return back in here. So I will put negative 1 over 7 gone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.